All right. Day number 2. We are at the tire shop, getting the tires taken off the rims that was leaking air from the last person. Potholes, organ potholes. So we're taking the tires off the rims, and we are going to attempt to repair them ourselves. So stay tuned. So, day 2 of the rim repair process. Early this morning, I went to a close tire shop trying to get the tires taken off my rims, and they did it, bent my rim, and failed to get the tires off. So I had to, drive 20 minutes out to the usual shop, which only reason I didn't come here first because it's been so damn busy. We getting this nice weather, so everybody getting their rims put on or buying new rims. Excuse me, so I'm looking raggedy, y'all, but it's work. But yeah, my guy over here never fails me. Always get me right. Never had problems with my 24s, 26s, nothing. So y'all can see, got my rims off. Got the tires off the rims. Gonna go ahead and get to work on repairing those. Stay tuned. Okay, as y'all can see, let me turn this down. We are in the shop right now, as y'all can see. Suited and booted, ready to go to work on repairing these rims. Wish I could turn you around. I'll have to stop. So again, anyways, we are in the shop right now. Got the tools. Some of your basic tools you're gonna need for this job. Safety glasses, But last person that had these rims, they tried to JB weld them. You can see right there. Did a horrible job. And also the cracks came back. They just put them on top. So we're gonna grind them down, get some fresh metal, make a little groove so the material can fit in there and really grab it. Hopefully this works. One of your cheaper ways, not permanent, but it will get the job done. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, I'm not going to take you through the walkthrough on this one because this one is pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 9 spots we're going to have to repair. Pretty bad. Like they didn't know how to miss the potholes. With low profile tires, you cannot be hitting potholes like you in a Chevy pickup truck. Like you gotta go around the potholes, man. You ride low profiles and big rims, but I'm gonna go ahead and repair these. And then get them aired up and bolted up within the next few days, and we'll see how they hold up.
Me in that way
we just removed that weld and everything else. They tried to patch it up with steel, and this is that. We're gonna see if we can repair this. Love these rims. We're gonna see if we can repair this ourselves. It's gonna take a lot of work, more work than expected, because what was hiding under all the silicone and stuff that the last person tried to fix it with. And didn't take the time to take the rim off and do it the right way. So back to work. So back again. We finally got it cleaned up a little bit. Grind it down to where we want it. Next step we are going to do, drill a hole. We are actually going to drill a hole. Find the crack where it stops, drill a hole. That helps. I'm not saying it's going to work. It helps from the crack continuing to spread. So we're going to do that. Also, we're going to hit it with this. Just right in, if you can see, we're going to hit right in, like in the cracks. Open them up just a tad bit so the filler can sit inside of it and not just right on top. Sitting right on top is not going to work. Alright, so cleaned up some working areas, you know. This one's really bad, man. This has so many cracks in this one. But we gonna get it right. So I cleaned it up, hit it with the grinder. Some nice little work areas. Some for the material to grab onto. Real fine in there. Crack. Some that little will leak. So, yep. Hit it with the acetone, clean it up. So, next step, let's go. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and clean the area up. We are using acetone, but you can use like brake cleaner, multiple different things. And like I said, I got all my safety shit, but I'm not wearing it. Don't be like me. Put your safety gear on, especially if you're by yourself. Something happened and no one's getting help. Alright, so now everything is clean. We're going to move on to the next step in the process. JB Weld. I was going to weld actual weld. However, these are not just aluminum. Let me turn that down a little bit. These are not just aluminum rims. They're cast aluminum rims, which you can really, really damage them if you weld them. So I'm gonna try this. Strength 5,020 psi's should hold up with no problem. Set time 4 to 6 hours. Cures in 15 to 24. It's equal parts. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead using this to mix it. I also wipe this down with acetone. I don't want to have anything in my adhesive other than the adhesive. So again, just equal parts. Think about you. Alright. And I just got an old piece of cardboard, nothing fancy. I'm gonna actually put a couple gloves on because I'm going to use my fingers to spread it out. Try to get it as even and flow with the rim so I don't have to do so much sanding afterwards.
Now don't get mad cause we young and we next. I think they mad cause they know we got the best. Top off that vet, yeah. Run around my city getting that check, yeah. Fucking on your bitch, getting that neck.
Alright, so I don't want it too thick and too crazy because then that's gonna leave me with a lot of sanding and you know, so hopefully this amount will you know, do the job. We'll let this cure for 24 plus hours, and then we'll go ahead and I'm going to actually let it sit for about 6 hours, and then I'll probably, after that dries a little bit more, I'll probably put one more coat over it just to make sure I get any see, like right there, lift it up a little bit just to make sure everything's flush. Then we'll let it we will let it go. We'll let it dry. Take it down to the rim shop and put the tire on and see if it holds up. Hopefully the pressure of the machine putting the tire on don't rip it back open. But they're professionals, so they can usually work around these types of issues with no problem. Stay tuned. So far, so good.
For nothing, won't you throw it back, let me catch you. Bust it open, let me test it. Good dick is what I'm blessed with, and that shit kinda like a weapon. After I beat it up, I'ma wipe it down. Baby girl, tell me how that sounds. Should I speed it up or either slow it down? Eat the pussy and watch you move around. Now you suck it.